Students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic environment and its scope. Our surroundings, the sum total of all the conditions and influences that affect the development and life of organism. हमारे चारों तरफ पाए जाने वाला जो वातावरण होता है उसे environment कहते हैं, जो कि जितने भी वहाँ पर जो जीवधारी पाए जाते हैं उनको प्रभावित करता है. Every organism lives in their own environments. जितने भी ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं वो सारे इन्वायरमेंट में ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मेजर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट बायोस्फीयर is the global sum of all ecosystem. It refers to our environmental surroundings, which is the zone of life of Earth. It includes atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. एटमॉस्फेयर एक वर्चुअल ऑसिन ऑफ एयर होता है. सेकेंड हाइड्रोस्फीयर जहाँ पर अर्थ फिल्ड विद एनी फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर, जहाँ पर पानी होता है प्रेजेंट. और लिथोस्फीयर जो कि आपका अर्थ वाला रीजन होता है, जहाँ पर आपका सॉइल वाला पार्ट होता है, मिट्टी जहाँ पर पाई जाती है, जिस पे आप लोग रहते हैं, लिथोस्फीयर बोलते हैं उसको. Environment definition: environment can be defined as the external elements and conditions which surrounds, influence and affect the life and development of an organism or population. The air, water, minerals and all other external factors which surrounds and affect a given organism at any time. In general, environment can be defined as the sum total of all surroundings of a living organism, including natural forces and other living things, which provides conditions for development and growth as well as for danger and damage. Environment studies. What is environment studies? It is a field of study that systematically studies human interaction with the environment. एक सिस्टमेटिक तरीके से इसमें स्टडी की जाती है जिसमें हम ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन और इन्वायरमेंट दोनों के बीच में क्या अंतर क्रियाएँ होती हैं उनका अध्ययन करते हैं. इट इज़ ए अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट. इट डील्स विद द एनालिसिस ऑफ द processes in water, air, land, soil and organism which lead to population or environmental degradation. Thus help us understand the scientific basis for stabilizing standard acceptably safe, clean and healthy for man and natural ecosystem. Okay, scope of environment science: day-to-day interaction with the surroundings with which human beings is closely associated, related to many branches of science concerned with the importance of wildlife and its protection. Explain the significant role of biodiversity in stabilizing ecological balance. Concerned with different types of food chains, food webs, productivity, biomass, carrying capacity of ecosystem. Explain the give information relating to population exploration, growth and development, impact of population growth on the resource consumptions and national economy. Deals in relation to ethos and the impact of ethical principles in the conservation of wildlife, biodiversity and environment. Explain the significance of forest and their products in the human routine and to country economy. Importance of environment science. Environmental issue being of international importance, problem cropped in the wake of development, need for an alternative solution, need to shape humanity from extinction, need to wise planning of development. Thank you.